Today we will be testing a crypto scalping strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a crypto scalping strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 467 different strategies, with 141 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve a 100% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex indicator to trade the crypto scalping strategy that I'll mention in this video on a live trading account. And so far, since we've been keeping track, it has outperformed 366 of the other strategies that we have put it up against, every single one so far. We've also tested a total of 1,063 indicators, with 443 of them being winners. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a crypto scalping strategy. And so the source video says, find your next big trade with this breakout trend follower. And so of course we're going to put that to the test and see what we can get out of this strategy. And so the first indicator we are going to add to the screen is the breakout trend follower, just like the source video says. And it's going to be this one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen, and we're going to jump into the settings, and under the inputs you're going to want to make sure the MA period for filtering is set to 60. Then jump into the styles, and you can turn off all these top selections here and just leave on everything underneath that, and then go ahead and click OK. The next indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the OBOS overbought and oversold oscillator. This one right here. Go ahead and click on that one and add it to the screen. And again, we'll jump into the settings of this one as well. And what we want to do is just make sure the length is to a 36 period. Then go ahead and click OK. And so what we're looking for a short trade is we're looking for a sell tag like this here from the breakout trend follower indicator. When we get a sell tag like that there, we're then going to look down to the OBOS, and we want it to have a red bar like this here. And once those line up, that'll be the signal to enter into a short. We'll put a trade right here. We're going to put our stop just right above this pivot area, and we're going to target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward right about there. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see how it plays out. You can see this really nice push to the downside, getting us to our take profit. And for a long trade, what we are looking for is we are looking for a buy tag like this here from the breakout trend follower. Once we get that buy tag, we're then going to look down to the OBOS, and we want it to have a green bar like this here. And so once those line up, that'll be the signal to enter into a long. We'll put our trade right here. We're going to put our stop just right below this pivot area here, and we're going to target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward just like before. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see how it plays out. And a nice steady climb to the upside, getting us to our take profit once again. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend that you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far. It's been able to achieve in the high 80% win rate, and coupled with the position management strategy that I'm teaching all the patrons, skyrockets the win rate to the high 90%, consistently around 99% over hundreds of trades. You can click the link up in the corner now. It'll take you to that video on the strategy. I'll also put a thumbnail of that video up on screen now, and I will link to that same video at the end of this video. All right, let's go ahead and go over the numbers on this strategy. So we did the 50 trade test like we normally do. And out of those 50 trades, we got 12 winning trades and 38 losing trades. It's going to put it at a 24% win rate. With the 1 to 1.5 risk reward, if you're looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $7,200. On the losing side, you'd have been risking $400 per losing trade. Your total drawdown would have been $15,200 for an overall loss of $8,000 altogether. So definitely not a great trading strategy for breakouts or otherwise. Now compare that to the Academy of Forex indicator. During the same period of time, we did 47 trades altogether. We had 38 winning trades and 9 losing trades. It's going to put it at an 81% win rate. If you were looking to gain the same $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $22,800. On the losing side, you'd have lost $10,800 for an overall gain of $12,000 altogether. And if you were to use the position management strategy that we teach all the patrons, it would have increased the win rate significantly. The total gain would have been closer to the $22,000, and so definitely better results. You can get a free trial access to the Academy of Forex Indicator when you sign up for a Patreon down below, and $15 a month maintains access to the indicator after the trial plus your Patreon status. We will also teach you a position management strategy that will skyrocket the win rate of the Academy of Forex Indicator to the high 90% and show you how to get access to a crypto broker that will give you over 100 times leverage on the account with no ID requirements, almost wherever you are in the world, all but guaranteeing that you will be successfully trading with our systems within an hour. We've also developed an additional crypto scalping strategy, and coupled with our position management strategy we teach all the patrons, was able to achieve over 200 winning trades in a row in back testing and dozens of winning trades in a row in live testing. To view that video, click the link up in the corner now. It'll look like a little circle with an eye in it. Click on that eye, it'll take you down to 2 thumbnails, and click the thumbnail that you see on screen now. And an update on the live trading account, we are still at 70 winning trades in a row. Put a screenshot up of that trade on screen now. That is using the position management strategy and the crypto scalping strategy that I mentioned just a moment ago. In backtesting, the combination was so powerful, it did over 200 winning trades in a row before it finally took a losing trade. If that's something you are interested in knowing more about, just follow the links down below in the description. Alright, that's it for this strategy here. We're going to go ahead and put this one on the no list and move on to the next video from here.